SAP S/4HANA releases. This is the topic 1 in SAP basis course. So this is the topic 1 I am taking. This is the topic 1. This is the first class of your SAP basis in this course. First topic 1. This is the topic 1 you want to learn compulsory. Who want to learn SAP basis course compulsory? They want to know about that one. So number 1 point. So point wise we want to go. Point wise we want to go means first point what we want to know means SAP S/4HANA is one of the SAP software. That is the first point you want to know. SAP S/4HANA is the software name. It is the name of the software. SAP S/4HANA is the name of the software. Software name is SAP S/4HANA. It is one of the tool. It is software. You called as tool or you called as software. SAP S/4HANA means it is the name of the software. So SAP S/4HANA, you got it. It is the name of the software. You got it. So now you want to know SAP S/4HANA releases. Second point is now you want to know SAP S/4HANA releases. That is the second point. SAP S/4HANA releases means what means? Windows operating system is there. After releasing Windows operating system, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11, like that they release. In S/4HANA software also, like this is there. Now I show you. So SAP S/4HANA first version. SAP S/4HANA first version, this is the one. SAP S/4HANA on-premise edition 1511. This is the first to the release. SAP S/4HANA on-premise edition 1511. That is the first one. SAP S/4HANA on-premise edition 1511. So this is the version name, software name. This is the software name. In Windows operating system, Windows 7 is there. That is operating system version like that here also. In the SAP S/4HANA software, SAP S/4HANA on-premise edition 1511 is one of the version. So that is one of the version. That is the first version. In which year it is released? In 2016 it is released. Here you got it clearly. General availability is there. What is this general availability means? Software is available for everyone. When it is released in 2016, it is released. That means before 2016 year, there is no SAP S/4HANA software. So in market, SAP S/4HANA software is available from 2016, March 2016 onwards. SAP S/4HANA software is available in market. And it is enterprise management software. In name only they're telling. Enterprise means company. Company managed software. It is enterprise managed software. And one more important point. End of mainstream maintenance 2020. End of mainstream maintenance date is 2020. What is that mainstream maintenance means? So, SAP telling I provide tools, everything. I provide support up to this date only. You buy this software from me, as I am the SAP person. I am the SAP. So you buy that product version from me. So I told you have 2020. After 2020 completed, I don't provide any supporting tools, patch tools, upgrade tools like that. I don't provide anything. So you use this product version until end of 2020 only. That means now 2025 year. Now it is not possible to install this SAP S/4HANA on-premise 1511. It is not possible to use in company also. So that means in company, they are not using SAP S/4HANA on-premise 1511. Why means SAP they stop supported. It is expired. SAP S/4HANA on-premise 1511 version is expired. Okay, after that release, next which version they release? SAP S/4HANA 1610. SAP S/4HANA 1610 they release. In which year it is released? In same year only, in 2016 only it is released. SAP S/4HANA 1610, it is one of the SAP S/4HANA version. In 2016 it is released. It is also mainstream maintenance date is completed. 2021 mainstream maintenance date is completed. That means nowadays this SAP S/4HANA 1610 version also is not available. Why? Means it is expired. 1610 version is not available. It is expired. So that means now you want to install, we want to install SAP S/4HANA 1610 means it is not possible. Why? Means software is not available. Here I show that software also is not there for installing purpose. That software is not there for installing purpose. That means this version also is not there. It is expired. Next, which version they release, we want to see. Next, SAP S/4HANA 1709. SAP S/4HANA 1709, it is released. SAP S/4HANA 1709 is one of the version in SAP S/4HANA software. In which year? In 2017 it is released. In 2017 it is released. So here mainstream maintenance end date is 2022. It is completed. Mainstream maintenance date is completed. Now here, I told this one. First of all, I told this one. First of all, I told that one. After I told that one, beta shipment in release plan. In release plan here, beta shipment is there. What is this beta shipment? First of all, you want to know what is that beta shipment. Here, beta shipment period is running. In this year, 11th August to 8th December, beta shipment is running. What is that beta shipment? First of all, you want to know that one. Beta shipment means in that period, they test that product version. They test that product version. That software is not used in production. That means that software is not used for business purpose. That software is test only. Before releasing medicine in the market, what they do? They test the medicine in people, in animals like that. They test the medicine. After everything is success, they release the medicine in the market. No, like that here also in beta shipment period, what they do is they test this. They install that software in quality system. They test it everything, and very important. All the companies they don't test that one. Who interested to participate in the testing period? That companies only. They got that software. They test it. So whatever problems they get, they contact SAP and solve that problem. So beta shipment means testing period. In that period, they test the software. Now here, release to customer, RTC. Release to customer means mobile is there. Suppose one mobile is there, IQ mobile is there. Latestly they're releasing. What they do? So many people they get crowd server hang like that. It will be get no when they release the mobile in the online. So many crowds they want to server will be hang like that. What they do? They release this day they release 20,000 mobiles. Next day after tomorrow they release 20,000 like that. What they do? Not they release bulk. Few customers they release mobiles and provide few customers only. Why? They're reducing the crowd. Like that here also release to customer means first of all they provide main customers, regular customers. After they providing that to all the customers, general availability. General availability means that software is available for everyone in the market. That is general availability. End of mainstream maintenance date means they tell I provide support for this software until that date. That is end of mainstream maintenance. Now here in SAP S/4HANA 1709, here extended maintenance also is there. What is this extended maintenance? SAP S/4HANA 1709, here mainstream maintenance date is completed. But here extended maintenance is there. Extended maintenance means extra warranty. For my mobile, warranty is completed. Warranty is completed before 2 months. Now for my mobile, extra warranty is there. In that extra warranty, whatever features I have, so I pay some amount, I use that warranty. Here also extended maintenance means, so for example, now SAP S/4HANA mainstream maintenance date is completed, 1709. Now I want to upgrade SAP S/4HANA 1709 to higher version. I want to upgrade SAP S/4HANA 1709 to higher version means their mainstream maintenance date is completed. That's why SAP what they do means, okay, you do SAP S/4HANA 1709 to higher version upgrade is possible, but you want to pay some amount for that one. Why I want to pay some amount means there your mainstream maintenance date is completed. Now you are in extended maintenance. In extended maintenance, you are doing upgrade from 1709 to higher version. For that purpose, you want to pay some amount for me and you upgrade that version. That is the meaning of extended maintenance. So release to customer, general availability, mainstream maintenance, extended maintenance. That's why in company, before installing any product version, first they check that mainstream maintenance date is completed or not. Now I check here, SAP S/4HANA mainstream maintenance date is completed or not, I check here. So mainstream maintenance date is completed means I don't want to install this product version. So this year end means in 1 month, in just 33 days like that, this extended maintenance also will be complete. That means these 3 product versions is not available in the market. Okay, next, which version they release, we check. Next, SAP S/4HANA 1809. Next version is SAP S/4HANA 1809 is the version. In which year it is released, we want to know. In 2018, it is released. 2018, it is released. So mainstream maintenance end date we want to see. 2023. Mainstream maintenance end date is completed. 2023. Extended maintenance date is there. It is 2025. Same this version also. We don't want to install now. Present. Okay, I tell that step later. Present. These 2 versions we don't want to install. These 2 versions already expired. These 2 versions already expired. In company, they don't use these 2 versions. Why means already expired. Total remove. These 2 versions in companies, some companies they are using, but mainstream extended maintenance period is running. Okay, next, which version they release, we want to see. Next, SAP S/4HANA 1909. SAP S/4HANA 1909. And one more important point, SAP, you want to call like that only, SAP. Some people, they calling SAP. SAP is not correct way. We want to call like that only, SAP. So in 2019, it is released. In 2019, it is released. 2024, last year and it is completed. Extended maintenance 2025. 2024, 2025. Okay. So 1909 also is not there. Next, we want to go to next one. Next release. SAP S/4HANA 2020. SAP S/4HANA 2020. In which year it is released? In 2020 year only it is released. In 2020 year it is released. Here mainstream maintenance date is 2025. So that means here mainstream maintenance date is not completed for 2020. So that means here software is available. SAP S/4HANA 2020 software is there. Why means mainstream maintenance date is not completed. But this year end means next after December completed, that mainstream maintenance date is completed. So now in company who are using these 4 product versions, SAP S/4HANA 1709, SAP S/4HANA 1809, SAP S/4HANA 1909, SAP S/4HANA 2020. In company who are using these 4, what they do means they upgrade to higher version. In company who are using SAP S/4HANA 1709 or SAP S/4HANA 1809 or SAP S/4HANA 1909 or SAP S/4HANA 2020, what they do means they upgrade to the higher version. Why means we did not upgrade to higher version means next year onwards these 4 versions will be expired like these 2 versions. So next year onwards these 4 versions is not available. It is total expired. So now until they releases, here date is there for SAP S/4HANA 2020, mainstream maintenance date is not completed. Here date is there, but only just 33 days is there. After date is completed, what will be used? So that's why now I don't want to install SAP S/4HANA 2020. Why means within 33 days that product version is expiring. That's why I don't want to use that one. I don't want to install that product version in company server. I don't want to develop any business in that product version because it will be expired within 33 days. That's why I don't want to buy that product version. So after this year is completed, this everything product versions in SAP S/4HANA is not available. Now we want to know which product versions is available. Next they release SAP S/4HANA 2021 in which year? 2021 year. SAP S/4HANA 2021 in which year it is released? 2021 year it is released. 2021 year it is released. 2026 is the expected. Okay, 2026. So that means that product version is available. SAP S/4HANA 2021 is available. That means in company server, we install SAP S/4HANA 2021 and practice is possible. Why means so? Next year end that product version will be expired. Next year end. That means this year that product version is there. Next year also that product version is available for using. That's why we use that SAP S/4HANA 2021. Okay, so that is one of the version in SAP S/4HANA software is available. Next, another version is there. SAP S/4HANA 2022. SAP S/4HANA 2022. In which year it is released? In 2022 year only it is released. 2022, 2027 is the mainstream maintenance end date. So 2027. Next, they release SAP S/4HANA 2023. SAP S/4HANA 2023 in which year means 2023 year it is released. 2023 year it is released. 2030 is the extended maintenance end date. So here after here once you see means in SAP S/4HANA 1511, 1610, these 2 versions only they released in 2016. Remaining versions you see in 2017, 1709, in 2018, 1809, in 2019, 1909, in 2020, 2020, in 2021, 2021, 2022, 2022, 2023, 2023. What they telling is up to here, every year they release SAP S/4HANA version. That I am telling. But in 2024, they did not release SAP S/4HANA 2024. Directly what they do means, this month, last month, they release directly SAP S/4HANA 2025. In which year? 2025. Last month only it released. In 2025 it is released. That means 2024 version is not there. SAP S/4HANA 2024 version is not there. So 2025 it is released. 2032 is the mainstream maintenance date. Now here in SAP S/4HANA we have only these 4 versions only. Next year onwards in company VC means SAP S/4HANA, these 4 versions only will be available. So remaining all versions will not available. These all versions will be expired. So next year onwards, in company or in your personal laptop, you want to install means only these 4 versions only is available in SAP S/4HANA. SAP S/4HANA 2021, SAP S/4HANA 2022, SAP S/4HANA 2023, SAP S/4HANA 2025. So total 4 versions is available in SAP S/4HANA software nowadays. Previously, so many SAP S/4HANA versions is there, but next year, January 1st onwards, we have only 4 versions is available in SAP S/4HANA software. That is SAP S/4HANA 2021, SAP S/4HANA 2022, SAP S/4HANA 2023, SAP S/4HANA 2025. That is the version's name. SAP S/4HANA is one of the SAP software. SAP S/4HANA 2021 means version name. It is one of the version in SAP S/4HANA software. So these are the SAP S/4HANA releases. So here we are not discussing what is SAP S/4HANA, what is the use of SAP S/4HANA, not we are discussing. That later we got it slowly. What is the use of that software and everything. Present here we are learning what are the releases is available in SAP S/4HANA. Now what are the versions is available? In company, they asked you, we want to install SAP S/4HANA means which versions is available? You are knowing that one. So we have only 4 versions is available in SAP S/4HANA software nowadays. That information we are learning here. That is the first point we want to learn in SAP S/4HANA releases. So not only that one, we want to know so many things is there in SAP S/4HANA. So SAP S/4HANA full form is the suite of the SAP HANA. SAP S/4HANA is the suite of the SAP HANA. That is the full form of SAP S/4HANA. So this is about SAP S/4HANA releases. Okay, here now we want to know how many types of SAP systems. That one we want to know. How many types of SAP systems is there? 2 types. That one we want to know. One is ABAP based SAP system. You called as application server ABAP, or you called as AS ABAP. Means you called as ABAP based SAP system, or you called as application server ABAP, or you called as AS ABAP. And another one is Java based SAP system. You called as application server Java, or you called as AS Java. So here you want to know how many types of SAP systems is there. So ABAP based SAP system, or you called as application server ABAP, or you called as AS ABAP. Like that, Java based SAP system, or you called as application server Java, or you called as AS Java. In company, entire business will be developed in AS ABAP system only. AS Java system is not supported for developing business. Entire business will be developed in ABAP based SAP system only. That is the important point we want to know. In company, they are developing business. In which system they are developing business? In ABAP based SAP system only. Why? Means Java system is not supported. AS Java system is not supported for developing business. Now here we want to know SAP S/4HANA is supported for installing ABAP system and Java system. SAP S/4HANA is supported or not? We want to know. Here we see is SAP S/4HANA Server 2025, SAP S/4HANA Server 2023, SAP S/4HANA Server 2022 is there. SAP S/4HANA Server means ABAP system. It is ABAP system. Here you saw. SAP S/4HANA Server 2025 system based on ABAP. Here is a SAP S/4HANA Server 2025 ABAP system it is. That means it is possible. You use SAP S/4HANA software, it is possible to install SAP S/4HANA Server ABAP system. So it is possible to install SAP S/4HANA ABAP system. There is an option. So that means you use these 4 versions. You use any version, SAP S/4HANA 2021 or SAP S/4HANA 2022 or SAP S/4HANA 2023 or SAP S/4HANA 2025. You use any version. In these 4 versions you use, and it is possible to install SAP S/4HANA ABAP system. And it is also possible to install SAP S/4HANA Java system. It is also possible to install SAP S/4HANA Java system. Here in another SWPM option is there. Present in this there is no option, but it is possible. There is a installation option is there. Okay, directly I show company real-time systems. Now directly I show company real-time system. On that time you got it clearly. Now I show company real-time systems. Now here I am selecting product. It is total change. Here it is total change. Here product is there. It is miss. Okay. Okay, here total change. Product option they release. Okay, I show. Here you saw ABAP is there, Java is there. Java systems. Click here. These are all Java systems. ABAP systems. These are all ABAP systems. Okay, that means what they do means so. What they do means so. So in company, we installed ABAP and we installed Java system. 2 types of SAP system is there. You use SAP software and install ABAP system and install Java system. So that's I'm telling SAP S/4HANA software is supported for installing ABAP system and Java system. Okay, here I show ABAP system. No, now I show Java system option also. Okay, here we saw SAP S/4HANA Java 2025, SAP S/4HANA Java 2023, SAP S/4HANA Java. So that means what here I'm proving to all of you, in company, we use SAP S/4HANA product version. It is possible to install ABAP system and Java system. Here also I show. Here we saw install an ABAP system, install an Java system. So system type, two types of systems is there, ABAP system and Java system. So here what we are learning is SAP S/4HANA software is supported. That means, so by using this 4 version, it is possible to install ABAP system and it is possible to install Java system. That's information I'm telling you. Now we want to know about software components. So now we want to know about software components. Software components is available inside ABAP system only. That means in Java system, software components is not available. In Java system, software components is not there. Here in my system, SAP S/4HANA 2023 already is there. In my system, SAP S/4HANA 2023, I already installed. I connect to that system. Okay, here we saw. This is software components. In ABAP system only, this software components is there. Here we saw in the software components, SAP underscore basis, SAP underscore ABA is there. These two software components are very, very important. Now we want to know that one. Okay, now, okay, one by one I came. First of all, SAP S/4HANA 1511. We want to claim that one. So we want to know SAP S/4HANA 1511 release. We want to know that one. So I show in company system only, I show. $750. How I tell release means here we saw. Here in software components, there are so many software components is there. 88 software components is there. It is SAP S/4HANA 2023. It is SAP S/4HANA 2023. In SAP S/4HANA 2023, 88 software components is there. In this 88 software components, this component is very, very important. These two. SAP underscore basis, SAP underscore ABA. These two software components is very, very important. You want to fluently tell the name like that. SAP underscore basis, SAP underscore ABA. Here we saw SAP underscore basis software component release is there, 758. That is the release. Like that, here we saw SAP underscore basis release is 750. Which one? This one? SAP S/4HANA 1511. That means SAP S/4HANA 1511 release is 750. Next, SAP S/4HANA 1610. So now we want to see SAP S/4HANA 1610 release. Scroll down. SAP basis 751 release. It is 751 release. Okay, next we want to see about SAP S/4HANA 1709 release. Seven fifty two release. Next, we want to see about SAP S/4HANA 1809 release. I am showing real-time systems only. Company real-time systems only. Here I am showing. $753 release. 753. Next, we want to see about SAP S/4HANA 1909. $754 release. 754 release. Next, we want to see about SAP S/4HANA 2020. SAP S/4HANA 2020 755 release. Next, we want to see about SAP S/4HANA 2021 release. That is SAP releases we are seeing now. 2021. SAP S/4HANA 2021 756. 756. SAP S/4HANA 2022. SAP S/4HANA 2022 757. 757. Next, SAP S/4HANA 2023. So already in my system, we have SAP S/4HANA 2023 is 758. But here also I show, in company systems also I show. Twenty 23. (2023) 758. And SAP S/4HANA 2025 release we want to know. SAP S/4HANA 2025 release we want to know. 816. SAP S/4HANA 2025 is 816. This is the SAP releases. SAP S/4HANA SAP releases. Here we see means 1511, 750, 751, 752, 753, 754, 755, 756, 757, 758. But latest SAP S/4HANA 2025 is 816. So this is SAP releases. Here, main software components you want to know means SAP underscore basis and SAP underscore ABA. These two are very important software components. Why I am telling this? These two software components you found in every ABAP-based SAP system. That's why I am telling. There's two software components you found in every ABAP-based SAP system. Which one? SAP underscore basis and SAP underscore ABA. These two software components we found in every ABAP based SAP system. So what here I'm telling is clearly this I show here. So in SAP S/4HANA ABAP system, SAP underscore basis software component, SAP underscore ABA software component is there. Here, S4 core. That software component will be available only in S/4HANA system only. S4 core software component is available only in S/4HANA system only. Okay. Now we got it here. SAP S/4HANA releases, we got it. SAP releases. SAP S/4HANA releases, we got it. 750 release, 751, 752, 753, 754, 755, 756, 757, 758, 816. These are the releases we got. That is about software component SAP releases we got. Now we want to know about SAP kernel. Now we want to know about SAP kernel. Now SAP kernel is one of the SAP software. Without SAP kernel, it is not possible to install these versions, any SAP software. That means SAP kernel is compulsory. There are two types of kernel software is there. One is Unicode kernel. Unicode in shortcut is called as UC. And another one is non-Unicode kernel. Non-Unicode kernel in shortcut called as NUC. So two types of kernel software is there. We see that one also. Here is a SAP kernel 64-bit Unicode is there. Unicode means this is Unicode kernel. Unicode means Unicode kernel. Versions is there. Unicode kernel versions. What are the kernel versions is there? That clearly. This is here SAP kernel 64-bit. Here, like this not is there means it is non-Unicode. It is non-Unicode. These are the non-Unicode kernels. Okay, now we got it clearly. In SAP S/4HANA, Unicode kernel is there, non-Unicode kernel is there. Okay, I show here. I write Unicode kernel names. Now here what I do means I write Unicode kernel names. Means versions. What are the versions is available in Unicode kernels? SAP kernel 722 EST 64-bit UC is there. SAP kernel 722 EST, SAP kernel 722 EST 64-bit UC. 64-bit UC. That is one of the version is there. That is one of the Unicode kernel version is available. That is one of the Unicode kernel version is available. ES2, same only. Here ES2. This is another kernel version. ES3. So this is another kernel version. Like that, 753, 754. Seven 53 is one of the kernel version. 754 is one of the kernel version in Unicode. 777, 789, 793. 777. 789. 793. 916. So in Unicode kernel software, this version is available. In Unicode kernel software, this version is available. So 722 EXT, 722 ES2, ES3, 753, 754, 777, 789, 793, 916 is there. These kernel versions is available in Unicode kernel software. Now, non-Unicode kernel software. In non-Unicode kernel software, 722 ES2, ES3, ES3, 754, 7 here. This 4 was up to here. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. These 5 versions is available in non-Unicode. Okay, in non-Unicode, this versions is available. Now we got it clearly. I told what I told here. There are 2 types of kernel versions is there. Unicode kernel software is there. Non-Unicode kernel software is there. In Unicode kernel, what are the versions is available? In non-Unicode kernel, what are the versions is available? I show here clearly. And I already told SAP S/4HANA releases also. Now here, very, very important point. Non-Unicode kernel is there. Non-Unicode kernel is supported up to 740. Non-Unicode kernel is supported up to 740 and higher releases. So that one I'm telling here. Non-Unicode kernel is supported up to 740 and higher releases. That's one I'm telling here. So that means what here I'm telling, non-Unicode kernel is version is supported up to 740. So that means 750 and higher releases, non-Unicode kernel software is not supported. That I am telling. Up to 740 releases only, non-Unicode kernel software is supported. Here we see SAP S/4HANA. We see SAP S/4HANA releases are 750 and higher releases. That means for installing SAP S/4HANA software, non-Unicode kernel software is not supported. That's the point I'm telling here. Non-Unicode, and you see, non-Unicode kernel software, non-Unicode kernel software is not supported for installing SAP S/4HANA. That's the point I'm telling here. So why, in interview they ask you, why non-Unicode kernel software is not supported for installing SAP S/4HANA means Non-Unicode kernel is supported up to 740 and higher releases only. 740 and lower releases, not higher. Non-Unicode kernel is supported up to 740 and lower releases only. But SAP S/4HANA all releases are 750 and higher releases. That's why for installing SAP S/4HANA, only Unicode kernel software only is supported. Non-Unicode kernel software is not supported. That's I'm telling. Now, what are the versions is there in SAP S/4HANA 2021, 2022, 2023, 2025? These 4 versions is there. Now we see. First of all, AS ABAP system. In AS ABAP system, so I'm writing as SAP S/4HANA 2021, SAP S/4HANA 2022, SAP S/4HANA 2023, SAP S/4HANA 2025. So in SAP S/4HANA, these 4 versions is there nowadays. So for ABAP system, which kernel versions is supported? Like that for Java system also. Like that for Java system also, which kernel versions is supported? We want to see now. So what are the kernel versions is available for installing ABAP system and Java system? We want to know that information now. That's I'm telling. So one by one. So why I'm knowing about these 4 versions means nowadays I have only these 4 versions is available for installing. That's why we want to know particular these 4 versions is enough. Which kernel versions is supported for these 4 versions is enough. We want to know. So, and I want to know ABAP for installing ABAP system kernel versions is same. For installing Java version kernel version is same or not different. I want to know that information also here. For installing ABAP system kernel version, for installing Java system kernel version, both are same or different. That we want to know here. So now here we want to know which kernel versions is supported for installing SAP S/4HANA ABAP system and for installing SAP S/4HANA Java system. That information I want to know here. Now here for AS ABAP system, which kernel versions is supported? For AS Java system, which kernel version supported? We want to see. That is the point we want to know. Now we see for AS ABAP system, SAP S/4HANA 2021, which kernel version is supported? We want to see that. Okay, here ABAP system only. I'm going to ABAP system. First of all, I'm showing ABAP system SAP S/4HANA. Which kernel version is supported? I'm showing now. 2021. SAP kernel 789, 793. Unicode. So 789, 793. These 2 kernel versions only is supported. For installing SAP S/4HANA 2021 ABAP system, not Java system. I'm telling about ABAP system. These 2 kernel versions is supported for installing SAP S/4HANA 2021 ABAP system. 789, 793. Now we want to see about 2022. 789, 793. 789, 793. For 2022 also, same kernel versions is supported. 789, 793. Next, we want to see about 2023. $793 only is supported for installing 2023. $793 only is supported. $789 is not supported. For installing SAP S/4HANA 2023 ABAP system. Now, finally, we want to see SAP S/4HANA 2025. SAP kernel 916. SAP kernel 916 is supported. Unique code. So now we got it clearly. Here I'm showing. So for installing SAP S/4HANA 2021, 789 kernel, 793 Unicode kernel only supported. For 2022 also. For 2023, 793 kernel only supported. For 2025, 916 kernel version is supported. Okay, ABAP is completed. Now we go to Java. I selected Java here. Here icon will be J. Now Java. Seven 754. 754 is supported. SAP S/4HANA 2021, I want to install Java means 754 is supported. Next, we want to see SAP S/4HANA 2022. Seven 754, same kernel versions only. Oh, 753, 754, sorry. Okay, 53, 54. Seven 754. Here also 53, 54. Now we want to see about SAP S/4HANA 2023. Now we want to see SAP S/4HANA 2023 kernel releases. 2023. Same 753, 754. For 2023 also, 753, 754 is supported. Finally, SAP S/4HANA 2025 is there. SAP S/4HANA 2025. Only 754. Only 754 is supported for installing SAP S/4HANA 2025. So here, for installing SAP S/4HANA, Java system kernel version is supported. For installing SAP S/4HANA ABAP kernel version is different. Both are not same. ABAP system kernel versions is different. Java system kernel versions is different, but Unicode kernel only. There is no non-Unicode kernel. Why means SAP S/4HANA releases, all releases are 750 and higher releases. That's why non-Unicode kernel is not supported. Non-Unicode kernel software is supported up to 740 and lower releases only. That's why for installing SAP S/4HANA ABAP system or for installing SAP S/4HANA Java system, only Unicode kernel software only supported. For installing ABAP system, different kernel versions is there. For installing Java system, different kernel versions is there. So this is about kernel releases of SAP S/4HANA ABAP system and SAP S/4HANA Java system. Okay, kernel versions we got it clearly. Kernel we got it clearly. Now we want to know one thing. What we want to know means, so same like that only. Yes, ABAP, SAP, S/4HANA 2021. So we want to know some information on AS ABAP system, SAP S/4HANA 2021. After installation is completed, what is available? We want to see that one. So we want to go to real-time systems. We want to see that information. We want to got it. ABAP system, S/4HANA. Now we want to know about 2021. Okay, here SAP S/4HANA 2021. SAP S/4HANA 2021. In that, we are installing SAP S/4HANA server. So that's one. Means after installation, what is available? I'm showing SAP S/4HANA. Here clearly you got it. SAP S/4HANA 2021. In that SAP S/4HANA server is one of the SAP system. Now SAP S/4HANA Foundation 2021. SAP S/4HANA Foundation 2021. In that SAP S/4HANA Foundation 2021, SAP S/4HANA Foundation, SAP S/4HANA Foundation. Okay. Now ABAP Platform 2021. ABAP Platform 2021. In that ABAP Platform 2021, Application Server ABAP, AS ABAP, Application Server ABAP. That means you got SAP S/4HANA server system, and you got SAP S/4HANA foundation, and you got application server ABAP. These three is available after installation. Here I show. Here you saw ABAP platform, application server ABAP, and SAP S/4HANA foundation, SAP S/4HANA. Some extra I added. Okay, this one I added, this one I added. But here you saw SAP S/4HANA foundation is there, application server ABAP is there, SAP S/4HANA is there. So what here I am telling means, suppose you install SAP S/4HANA 2021 means this is available. Suppose you install SAP S/4HANA 2022 after installation is completed. You install SAP S/4HANA 2022 means same here. SAP S/4HANA foundation 2022 available, ASAP 2022 available. And same like 2023 also. When we install 2023, here SAP S/4HANA server 2023, SAP S/4HANA foundation 2023, application server ABAP 2023 is available. When we install SAP S/4HANA 2025 means, when we install SAP S/4HANA 2025 means, same SAP S/4HANA server 2025, SAP S/4HANA foundation 2025, ABAP platform, ASAP application server ABAP 2025 is available. So that means after installation is completed, in your SAP S/4HANA ABAP system, you got SAP S/4HANA server, you got SAP S/4HANA foundation, and you got application server ABAP. This three is available after installing SAP S/4HANA ABAP system. Now we go to Java system. AS Java. So SAP S/4HANA 2021. And one more important point before going Java system, what I tell is, so by using, suppose here, SAP S/4HANA 2025. By using SAP S/4HANA 2025, I'm installing SAP S/4HANA server system. SAP S/4HANA server, SAP S/4HANA server is one of the SAP system. SAP S/4HANA server, SAP S/4HANA server is ABAP based SAP system. Okay, here I installed SAP S/4HANA 2023. Here I did not install SAP S/4HANA 2023. By using SAP S/4HANA 2023, I installed SAP S/4HANA server. I installed SAP S/4HANA server by using SAP S/4HANA 2023. So here what we are doing is we are installing SAP S/4HANA server system. It is ABAP based SAP system. We are installing SAP S/4HANA server system. Here is there SAP S/4HANA Java, like that here you saw. We are installing by using SAP S/4HANA 1709. I'm installing SAP S/4HANA server system. I'm not installing SAP S/4HANA 1709. I'm installing SAP S/4HANA server system. It is ABAP based SAP system. SAP S/4HANA server is ABAP based SAP system. Here we saw. We are installing SAP S/4HANA server ABAP system. It is ABAP system. SAP S/4HANA server is ABAP system. So by using SAP S/4HANA 1709, I'm installing SAP S/4HANA server system. Here we saw install an SAP S/4HANA server system. So we are installing SAP S/4HANA server system. And one more important point, that SAP S/4HANA server system is supported only on SAP HANA DB. DB means database. SAP HANA means database software name. SAP HANA means it is the name of the database software. SAP S/4HANA means main software name. SAP S/4HANA means ERP, enterprise management software, enterprise resource planning. SAP HANA means database software name. SAP HANA means it is the database software name. SAP S/4HANA means enterprise resource planning software. Both are not same. SAP HANA is different. SAP S/4HANA is different. Now we want to install SAP S/4HANA server on HANA database only. No other databases is not supported. Here we see means I go here. ABAP system. SAP S/4HANA 2025 I select. I want to install 2025. I selected. Now by using SAP S/4HANA 2025, I'm installing SAP S/4HANA server, and also I'm installing SAP S/4HANA foundation, and also I'm installing application server ABAP. Now by using SAP S/4HANA, I'm installing SAP S/4HANA server system. So which database is supported? Means here we saw only SAP HANA database only supported. SAP HANA means database software name. Only that database only supported. Remaining databases is not supported for installing SAP S/4HANA server system. So that's we are learning here. Now we go to Java. Now we go to Java. Java. SAP S/4HANA Java. Here we saw we are installing only SAP S/4HANA Java only. By using SAP S/4HANA product version, we are installing only SAP S/4HANA Java, AS Java only. AS Java 7.5 for SAP S/4HANA means it is 750 release. So we are installing only SAP S/4HANA Java only. SAP S/4HANA Java only. So every version 2022 also, whatever version you taken, SAP S/4HANA 2022, you use means SAP S/4HANA Java only. SAP S/4HANA 2023 also, we install SAP S/4HANA Java only. SAP S/4HANA 2025, same SAP S/4HANA Java. So that means after installing what is available, we learn here. Now, for installing SAP S/4HANA Java, what are the databases is available? We see. What are the databases is available for installing SAP S/4HANA Java? MaxDB database, SAP AC, SAP HANA database. Here also is there. Here also, SAP S/4HANA Java 2025 expand, MaxDB database, SAP HANA database, SAP AC. 3 databases is available. One is SAP MaxDB. It is the database software name. SAP MaxDB means database software name. SAP HANA means database software name. SAP HANA means database software name. SAP AC means database software name. So these 3 databases is available for installing SAP S/4HANA Java. We want to install SAP S/4HANA Java, The three databases is available. We want to install SAP S/4HANA server system. Only one database is available, that is HANA database. We want to install SAP S/4HANA server system. Only one database is available, that is SAP HANA database. We want to install SAP S/4HANA Java. There are three databases is available. One is SAP MatchDB database, and another one is SAP HANA database, and another one is SAP ASC database. These three databases is available. So in company compulsory they install SAP S/4HANA Java or they install SAP S/4HANA server system. So in company what they told means they did not tell you want to install SAP S/4HANA 2025 like that they don't tell. What they told means you want to install SAP S/4HANA server system or they told you want to install SAP S/4HANA Java like that they told. On that time, you want to understand SAP S/4HANA server system is supported install on HANA database only. SAP S/4HANA Java is supported to install on MatchDB or SAP HANA or SAP ASC database. SAP S/4HANA server is ABAP system and SAP S/4HANA Java is Java-based SAP system. You want to know that information. So, you want to install SAP S/4HANA Java or you want to install SAP S/4HANA server system. Only Unicode kernel only supported. SAP S/4HANA Java kernel software is different versions. SAP S/4HANA server system kernel software is different. The new world means your future software is only SAP S/4HANA. After 2030 is completed, there is no SAP software, only SAP S/4HANA is available. SAP S/4HANA stands for SAP Suite for SAP HANA DB. That is the full form. What is the full form of SAP S/4HANA means SAP Suite for SAP HANA DB. Here they're telling you cannot install SAP S/4HANA. It is the product name, software name. You are not installing SAP S/4HANA. It is the software name. You are installing SAP S/4HANA server system by using SAP S/4HANA. By using SAP S/4HANA, you are installing SAP S/4HANA server system. SAP S/4HANA server is the name of the SAP system. SAP system name. SAP system name is SAP S/4HANA server. SAP HANA is the name of the suite. That is the difference. The difference SAP S/4HANA server is the name of the SAP system and SAP S/4HANA is name of the suite. That means SAP S/4HANA server, SAP S/4HANA both are not same, difference. So that's you want to know. So SAP HANA is different, SAP S/4HANA is different, SAP HANA is different, both are not same. By using SAP S/4HANA, we are installing SAP S/4HANA server system. So that is about SAP S/4HANA. That's the knowledge is enough before doing anything. This is the knowledge when we want to learn SAP basis course. So we want to know SAP S/4HANA means this minimum knowledge we required about SAP S/4HANA software. So this is one of the SAP software. After learning SAP S/4HANA software, which software we want to learn means SAP ERP. After that, we want to know about SAP ERP releases. SAP ERP also one of the SAP software. SAP ERP also is one of the SAP software. SAP ERP also one of the SAP software. SAP ERP full form is SAP ERP full form is SAP Enterprise Resource Planning. SAP Enterprise Resource Planning. That is the SAP ERP full form. SAP Enterprise Resource Planning. That is the SAP ERP full form. Now, SAP ERP also one of the SAP software. SAP ERP full form is SAP Enterprise Resource Planning. Now we want to know SAP ERP releases. Actually, there are so many releases is there. So many releases is there. SAP ERP in golden days, so many releases is there. But present, we want to know some releases. Okay, here we saw SAP ERP World and so many releases is there, but we want to know some releases like SAP S/4HANA, SAP ERP also enterprise management software. Like SAP S/4HANA, SAP ERP also enterprise management software. So SAP enhancement package 1 for SAP ERP 6.0. SAP enhancement package 1 for SAP ERP 6.0. In shortcut, we called as EHP1 for SAP ERP 6.0. EHP full form is enhancement package. EHP full form is enhancement package. It is the enterprise management software. Enterprise management software. In 2006, it is released 2025. 2025. That means this year and it will be expired. This year and it will be expired. In shortcut, it is called as EHP1 for SAP ERP 6.0. In shortcut, it is called as. This is one of the SAP ERP version. SAP Enhancement Package 1 for SAP ERP 6.0. So present, this software is available, but this year and this software is not available. It is expired. Okay, after what means they release SAP ERP 6.0 EHP2. EHP2 when they release means in 2007, 2025. In 2007. Now next one is EHP3. Like that they release EHP1, EHP2, EHP3, like that they release. When they release EHP3, 2008, 2025. 2008. Next, they release EHP4. EHP4, they release. In which year it is released? EHP4 in 2009, 2025. 2009 it is released, 2025. Next they release EHP5. EHP5 they release in which year? In 2011, 2025. 2011, 2025. Next, they release EHP6. Next, they release EHP6. In which year? In 2012, it is released. EHP6, in which year? In 2012, it is released. 2027, 2030 extended maintenance. 2027, extended maintenance 2030. So that means you want to install SAP ERP means this version is available. This version is available for installing SAP ERP. Next, EHP7. EHP 7. (2013) release 2027, 2030. 2013. Next, EHP 8. This is the latest one. EHP 7 is the previous one. EHP 8 is the latest one. (2016) it is released. 2016, 2027, 2030. 2016. Okay, after this year end is completed, in SAP ERP, only these versions is expected. These 5 versions is expected. So after this year is completed, means next month, January 1st onwards, in SAP ERP, only these 3 versions only is available. Only these 3 versions only is available in SAP ERP. Actually, before 2 years, what they do means, actually, EHP8 extended maintenance date is 2027. This one is 2025. Mainstream maintenance. What they do means, they extended the validity. After 2030 is completed, there is no SAP ERP software in the company server. They stop that entire software. So next year, January 1st onwards, in SAP ERP, only these 3 versions only is available. Next year, January 1st onwards, in SAP ERP, only these 3 versions only is available. EHP 6, EHP 7, EHP 8. Remaining all versions will be expired. So here also, by using SAP ERP, we are installing SAP ECC system. We are not installing SAP ERP software. We are installing SAP ECC system. Like SAP S4HANA server, SAP ECC also is one of the SAP system. SAP ECC is one of the SAP system, and it is ABAP-based SAP system. ABAP-based SAP system. SAP ERP is not supported for installing Java system. SAP ERP is not supported for installing Java system. SAP ERP not supported for installing Java system. Only ABAP system only. That means by using SAP ERP, we are installing SAP ECC system. Here we saw SAP ERP last version is released on 2016. From the 2016 year onwards only, SAP S4HANA they released. That means after starting SAP S4HANA releases, they did not release SAP ERP. Here we saw after 1 month is completed, 10 years onwards, they did not release SAP ERP version. 10 years onwards, they did not release SAP ERP version. Why they did not release means SAP ECC system only, SAP S4HANA server system. SAP ECC system only, SAP S4HANA server system. So they changed SAP ECC system name changed as SAP S4HANA server system. Both are enterprise management software. SAP ECC system only, SAP S4HANA server system with the latest technology. SAP ECC system is old technology. SAP S4HANA server is latest technology. But both are same. Both are enterprise management software. SAP ECC only, SAP S4HANA server system. But you want to install SAP ECC by using SAP ERP. You want to install SAP S4HANA server system by using SAP S4HANA. SAP ERP is not supported for installing. SAP ERP is not supported for installing Java system. Here we saw. EHP8 for SAP ERP 6.0 ABAP option is there. Is there any option? EHP8 for SAP ERP 6.0 Java option is there? No. Here we saw. EHP7 for SAP ERP 6.0 ABAP is there. Is there any option? EHP7 for SAP ERP 6.0 Java option is there? No. That means that one only I am telling. What I am telling? SAP ERP is supported for installing ABAP system only. That means by using SAP ERP, it is possible to install SAP ECC system. By using SAP ERP, it is not possible to install Java system. By using SAP ERP, it is not possible to install Java system. By using SAP ERP, it is possible to install only ABAP system only. So by using SAP ERP, we are installing SAP ECC system. In company, anyone asks, you want to install SAP ECC system means next year, January 1st onwards, only these 3 product versions only is available. You use SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6 or SAP ERP 6.0 EHP7 or SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8. It is possible to install SAP ECC system. SAP ECC is ABAP based SAP system. So that is about SAP ERP releases. SAP ECC and SAP S/4HANA Server. Both are enterprise management softwares only. So here 2 releases is completed. One is SAP S/4HANA releases topic is completed, and another one is SAP ECC releases topic is completed. Next, we want to know another software releases. We want to learn about another software releases. Like that, we want to know some software releases first of all. So here we completed 2 software releases. Another software is NetWeaver is there, Solution Manager is there, like innovation packages. We want to know about the 3 releases also. That's 3 software releases also. Okay, here we got it about SAP ERP releases. We got it by using SAP ERP. It is possible to install only ABAP system only. We got it. Now we want to check the kernel releases. We want to check the kernel releases. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6 is there. EHP7 is there. EHP8 is there. Which kernels is supported? We want to know. That's information I want to, right now I want to see. Like this. We want to know which kernel versions is supported for this one. We want to know now. So it is supported only ABAP system. That's why is ABAP. Here not SAP, here SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6. Why means that 3 versions only is available. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP7. Remaining is there, but next year January 1st means after 33 days, it will be expired. That's why we don't want to discuss that one. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8. Now, these 3 versions only is available from January 1st onwards. Now we want to know for these 3 versions, which kernel version is supported. Okay, ABAP, ERP. And one more important point also here is there. We want to know that one also. SAP EHP6 only this kernel version only supported. SAP kernel 722 for EHP6, SAP kernel 722, SAP kernel 722, EXT 64-bit Unicode, EST 64-bit Unicode. That kernel only supported for installing SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6. ECD, EHP7, here we saw, okay, here EHP7, NetWeaver 7.4 also is there. In EHP7, NetWeaver 7.4 is there after I told that one. Kernels here you saw for EHP7, 753, 754 is supported. For EHP7, 753, 754 is supported. And here we saw 753, 64-bit also is there. Why means EHP7 is 740 release. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP7 release is 740 release. It is 740 release. And EHP8 is 750 release. And this EHP6 release is, I think, 731. So this is the releases. I show that one also. What are the releases? I show now. So I show that releases also. We got it. EHP7, EHP8 releases. So it is 740 release. That means non-Unicode kernel also is available for installing SAP ERP 6.0 EHP7, SAP kernel 753, 754 Unicode kernel, SAP kernel 753, 754 non-Unicode kernel is supported. EHP8, this one only. EHP8, that one only. Okay, EHP8. Here you saw, when we installing SAP ERP, SAP EHP8 for SAP ERP 6.0, when we install EHP8 for SAP ERP 6.0, in that we got central applications. Central applications, that means central applications, SAP ERP 6.0. SAP ERP 6.0, in that we got SAP ECC server. SAP NetWeaver 7.5. In that SAP NetWeaver 7.5 also is there. SAP NetWeaver 7.5. In that we get application server other. In that we get application server other. That means after installation is completed, you got EHP8 for SAP ERP 6.0 central applications. You got SAP ERP 6.0 SAP ECC server. We got SAP NetWeaver 7.5 SAP application server other. So for SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8 kernel versions is 753, 754. Why means because it is 750 release. Okay, up to there I forgot to. It is 750 release. That's why Unicode kernel only is supported. 753, 754. Okay, Windows 753, 754. That two kernels only supported for SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8. Now I show company systems. Now we want to see SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6 release. EHP6 for SAP ERP 6.0, SAP ERP 6.0, SAP NetWeaver 7.0, EHP3. 731 release. 731. And one more important point, I told in SAP S4HANA, S for core is there. In SAP ERP, S for core is not available. In SAP ERP, in SAP ECC system, SAP APPL is there. But in S4HANA, SAP APPL is not available. It is very, very important. Remember, SAP APPL software component is available only inside SAP ECC system only. S for core software component is available only inside SAP S4HANA server system only. Why means it is very, very important software components you want to know in interview, they ask that question compulsory. In SAP ERP also, SAP basis, SAP API is there. 731 release. Now we want to see EHP 7. EHP 7 for SAP ERP 6.0, SAP ERP 6.0, SAP NetWeaver 7.4. It is 740 release. 740 release. Now finally we want to see EHP 8. EHP 8 release. EHP 8 for SAP ERP 6.0. $750 release. So that's only I told here, 750 release, 740 release, 731 release. So we found SAP underscore basis, SAP underscore ABS software component in SAP ECC system also. That is about SAP ERP releases is completed clearly. There is no pending in SAP ERP releases. Now we want to know another software releases, that is SAP NetWeaver releases. Now we want to know about SAP NetWeaver releases. SAP NetWeaver is one of the SAP software. 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 SAP NetWeaver is technology platform software. Now I show. SAP NetWeaver. It is not enterprise management software, technology platform. SAP NetWeaver is one of the software. In that SAP NetWeaver 7.5 is one of the version. Actually, NetWeaver 04. SAP NetWeaver 04, it is called as 2004. SAP NetWeaver, you called as SAP NetWeaver 04 or SAP NetWeaver 2004. That is aspect. In 2005, it is released. 2013, it is completed. That one is not there. SAP NetWeaver 7.0. 2006, 2017 is completed, not there. SAP NetWeaver 7.0 EHP1. 2009, 2017 is completed, not there. SAP NetWeaver 7.0 EHP2. 2010, 2017 completed, not there. SAP NetWeaver 7.0 EHP3. 2012, 2017 completed, not there. SAP NetWeaver 7.3. 2010, 2020 completed, not there. SAP NetWeaver 7.3 EHP1. 2020 completed, not there. SAP NetWeaver 7.4 previous version. This is previous version. SAP NetWeaver 7.4 not there, completed. Only one version, latest version. In SAP NetWeaver software, only one version is available. That is the latest version, SAP NetWeaver 7.5. It is the technology platform software. It will be 2015 it is released. In SAP NetWeaver, only SAP NetWeaver 7.5 is available. 7.5 is available. When it is released in 2015, it is released. 2027 mainstream maintenance date is completed. 2030 extended maintenance. That means after 2030 year is completed, this software is not available in company server. This software will be dead after 2030 in company. They don't use SAP NetWeaver 7.5 after 2030 year completed. After 2027 year completed, no one is not possible to install SAP NetWeaver 7.5 software. Only SAP NetWeaver 7.5 is available. That is 750 release. It is 750 release, NetWeaver 7.5, 750 release, and these two kernel versions is supported. 753 Unicode and 754 Unicode. And another important point, by using SAP NetWeaver 7.5, it is possible to install ABAP system and Java system. That means in company, SAP NetWeaver 7.5, they use it for installing ABAP system and Java system also. We go and check. So SAP NetWeaver 7.5, SAP NetWeaver 7.5. Here we saw only application server attack. SAP NetWeaver 7.5, only application server attack. That means it is very small system. It is small system. 753, 754 Unicode kernel. The two kernel versions only supported. 753, 754. Why means it is 750 release. Now I show release also. SAP NetWeaver 1.5 release also I show. Here you saw SAP NetWeaver 7.5 basis release 750. Here also in SAP NetWeaver 7.5 also you got SAP ABA, SAP basis 750 release. Here you saw just we got 7 or 8 software components only. Here there is no S4 core software component. Here there is no SAP APPL software component. So SAP NetWeaver 7.5 is technology platform. It is very small software. Okay. So we got it up. We completed about SAP NetWeaver release. Okay, one point here I tell SAP NetWeaver 7.5 SPAN database installation. Here we saw application server ABAP. SAP NetWeaver 7.5 ABAP system option is there. SAP NetWeaver 7.5 Java system option is there. So here we want to know another important point. SAP NetWeaver 7.5. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5 only, we install Trex. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5, we install Trex system. Trex is one of the ABAP system. Okay, ABAP system. Clearly, I show here Trex system. Okay, now Java I am selecting. Now icon will be changed. It is Java. Enterprise portal. Enterprise portal. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5 Java system, we install SAP Enterprise Portal system. Enterprise Portal is one of the SAP system. It is Java system. SAP Enterprise Portal is one of the SAP system. It is Java system. Not only enterprise portal, here process integration also is there. Process integration. Process integration SI. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5, by using SAP NetWeaver 7.5 Java system, we install SAP process integration, SAP SI. SAP SI is one of the SAP system. It is Java system. In company, we want to install SAP Enterprise Portal System or we want to install SAP XI system is by using SAP NetWeaver 7.5 Java. In company, we want to install SAP Truck System is by using SAP NetWeaver 7.5 ABAP. In company, we want to install SAP ECC system is by using SAP ERP. In company, we want to install SAP S4HANA server system is by using SAP S4HANA. And one more important point here, technology platform. What is difference between enterprise management software and technology platform? So enterprise management software means that software is already built business. In that you use as is. Whatever software already is developed, you use as is like that only. That is enterprise management software. Technology platform is on that software, you build whatever you want. Enterprise portal system is you install enterprise portal. You want process integration system is you install process integration on technology platform. You want to install enterprise portal system on ECC server, S4HANA server means it's not possible because it is enterprise management software. It is not possible to build that one on that. That is. So enterprise management means nothing. You buy one home. It is not empty land. Already it is built in that home. AC, fridge, everything is the TV, everything. Directly you join that home. You use that AC, fridge, TV and everything. That is enterprise management. So technology platform is it is empty land. On that empty land, you build home or you build shop or you build any construction, your wish. That is technology platform. Enterprise management means already it is built. On that you use. That is the difference between enterprise management and the technology platform. So SAP NetWeaver release is completed. Now another software releases we want to know. That is another software is SAP NetWeaver ASAP Innovation Package. NW means NetWeaver. AS means application server. NetWeaver ASAP Innovation Package releases. NetWeaver ASAP Innovation Package is one of the SAP software. NetWeaver ASAP Innovation Package is one of the SAP software. In that software, what are the releases is there? NetWeaver ASAP 7.51. NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.51. In name only they're telling I am 751 release. In name only they're telling I am 751 release. In name only they're telling I supported for installing only ABAP system only. That they're telling. So when it is released in 2016, 2025, this year end is completed. In 2016, 2025. That means now we don't want to install that one. It is 751 release. Next release is NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52. In name only they're telling I am 752 release. I supported for installing only AS ABAP only. I supported for installing only AS ABAP only. So in NetWeaver AS ABAP innovation package, only this version only is available from next year onwards. From January 1st onwards, NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52 only available 2017, 2027, 2030. 2017, 2027, 2030. So NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52, 752 release. From 2017 it is released. 2027, 2030. After 2030 year is completed, in company server, they don't use NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52. After 2030 is completed, in company server, they don't use NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52. This NetWeaver AS ABAP innovation package releases also will be expired after 2030 year is completed. Now we see that that one is supported for installing ABAP system only. Java system is not supported. It is also technology platform. Technology platform. NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52 also technology platform. Innovation package. NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52. Here also same like SAP NetWeaver 7.5. It is also same. They installed only. Here we saw NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52. NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52. It will be application server ABAP. Application server ABAP only it will be installed. That means it is also small system. Same 753, 754. That two kernel only supported. 753 kernel and 754 kernel Unicode. Okay, NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52. It is also small system. Here also SAP ABA, SAP Basis. 752 release. So 752 release, it is supported for installing only ABAP system only. Other system is not supported for installing. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5, we are installing application server ABAP. Here also by using NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52, we are installing application server ABAP. So that one is completed. Next, we want to know SAP Solution Manager releases. SAP Solution Manager releases. That is one of the software. Now we want to know about SAP Solution Manager releases. Now we want to know about SAP Solution Manager. SAP Solution Manager is one of the SAP software. SAP Solution Manager is one of the SAP software. That is the name. SAP Solution Manager is the name of the SAP software. So in that SAP Solution Manager, we see SAP Solution Manager 3.2. It will be expired. That product version is not there. SAP Solution Manager 7.0. Expired. Product version is not there. SAP Solution Manager 7.0 EHP1. Expired. Not there. SAP Solution Manager 7.1. Previous version. SAP Solution Manager 7.1. Previous one. Expired. Not there. Only SAP Solution Manager 7.2 version only available. SAP Solution Manager 7.2, 2016 it is released. SAP Solution Manager 7.2, in which year in 2016 it is released. SAP Solution Manager 7.2, in 2016 it is released. 2027, 2030. After 2030 year is completed, this SAP Solution Manager 7.2 software also is not available in the company. So this one also will be deleted. Despite it, that software also will be dead. So in SAP Solution Manager 7.2 also same like this one. Now we see what are the kernel versions is supported. And one more important point here we see means like SAP NetWeaver, SAP Solution Manager also, SAP Solution Manager 7.2 also is supported for installing ABAP system, and it is also supported for installing Java system. In company, SAP Solution Manager 7.2, they use it for installing ABAP system, and it is also installed for Java system also. Now, first of all, we see about ASAP. ASAP. It is 740 release. By using SAP Solution Manager 7.2, we installed SAP Solution Manager, SAP Solution Manager, SAP Solution Manager, BI content, Solution Manager ABAP stack, Solution Manager ABAP stack means after installation is completed, you got Solution Manager ABAP stack and BI content. And SAP NetWeaver 7.4 also. SAP NetWeaver 7.4 also. In Solution Manager, SAP NetWeaver 7.4 also is available. SAP NetWeaver 7.4 means 740 release. Application Server ABAP. It is 740 release. 740 release. And we check the kernel releases also. 740 release means Unicode, non-Unicode both supported. 740 release means Unicode, non-Unicode both supported. I told no. 753, 754 non-Unicode, 753, 754 Unicode supported. Okay, 753, 754 Unicode, 753, 754 non-Unicode both will be supported. It is 740 release. I show that one also. Solution Manager 7.2 is 740 release. It is ABAP we are discussing, not Java. Java release is different. Solution Manager 7.2, Java release is different. Here we saw SAP Solution Manager 7.2, SAP NetWeaver 7.4. This is also you get some software components only, just below 10 to 20. Basis 740 release. SAP underscore basis release 740. SAP ABA 740. So here in SAP Solution Manager 7.2 ABAP also you get SAP ABA, SAP basis software component. That means in every ABAP based SAP system, the two software components compulsory is available. It is 740 release. We got it. Now we go to about Java. AS Java. ABAP is completed. Now we want to know about AS Java. Java SMJ Solution Manager 1.2 Solution Manager Java. Okay, here by using SAP Solution Manager 1.2, SAP Solution Manager 7.2, SAP Solution Manager 7.2, we install Solution Manager Java Stack. Solution Manager Java Stack and SAP NetWeaver 7.5. SAP NetWeaver 7.5, it is application server application server ABAP. It is 750 release. Application server ABAP NetWeaver 7.5. How I tell 750 release means NetWeaver 7.5 is 750 release. 750 release. So here some difference is there. SAP Solution Manager 7.2 ABAP releases 740 release. SAP Solution Manager 7.2 ABAP releases 740. SAP Solution Manager 7.2 Java releases 750. That's the difference is there. So here kernels also will be different because 740 supported non-Unicode Unicode, 750 supported only Unicode kernel only. That's the difference also is there. Here we saw only Unicode kernel 753, 754. Only Unicode kernel 753, 754 only supported. Remaining kernels not supported. SAP kernel 753, 64-bit Unicode. SAP kernel 754, 64-bit Unicode. So SAP Solution Manager 7.2 is supported for installing Java system and ABAP system. Compulsory they use in the company. So kernels, what are the kernels is available? Solution Manager 7.2 Java release is there and ABAP release is there. So there is a difference. ABAP release is 740, Java release is 750. These are the main software releases. Some another software also is there. We want to know that one. One software is there. BW HANA is there. Yes, for HANA Solution Manager. SAP HANA Platform Version 2.0 means it is HANA database. It is HANA database. SAP HANA Platform Version 2.0. SAP HANA Platform Edition 2.0. It is the HANA database software. Previously 1.0 also is there. Previous in olden days 1.0 also is there. It is released on 2016. 2028 is there. 2016 it is released. 2028 up to maintenance is there. SAP HANA Platform Version 2.0 means HANA database software. Previously, before 3 years or 4 years, SAP HANA Platform Version 1.0 also is there. But nowadays it's not there. S/4HANA Solution Manager. Okay, one is there. BW HANA. Here is there. SAP BW HANA 2.0 is one of the version. SAP BW HANA is one of the software. SAP BW HANA is the software name. SAP BW HANA is one of the SAP software. That is the name of the software. SAP BW HANA is one of the SAP software. It is the name of the software. In that, SAP BW HANA 2.0 is one of the version. So when it is released, 2019 it is released, 2025 it will be complete. 2019 to 2025. That means now we don't want to discuss this one. Why means after 1 month is completed, this version is not available. It will be expired. In company also, they don't use this version. Next, SAP BW HANA 2021. SAP BW HANA 2021. It's available 2021, 2027. 2021 release, 2027. It is also technology platform. It is also technology platform. So this version is available. We want to install means we install. And another one is SAP BW HANA 2023. I think in 2023 year it is released. So 2023 it is released, 2030. SAP BW HANA 2023 release, 2030. So in SAP BW HANA, these two versions is available. We want to install SAP BW HANA means the two versions is available for installing. SAP BW HANA 2021, SAP BW HANA 2023, the two versions is available for installing purpose. It is technology platform software. In company, we use that one, SAP BW HANA. BW HANA server will be installed, like SAP S/4HANA server, here BW HANA server. SAP BW HANA 2021, there BW HANA server will be installed, like SAP S/4HANA server. Only HANA database only supported. Only HANA database only supported. 789, 793 kernel will be available. Only HANA database only supported. 789, 793. Only the two kernel versions only supported. Like SAP S/4HANA 2021. Here, like SAP S/4HANA 2021 is there, no, like that. Here, 789, 793. Like SAP S/4HANA 2021. Like SAP S/4HANA 2023, 793 only, I think they supported. For BW HANA, only the 2 kernel versions only supported, 789, 793. Finally, BW HANA 2023 is there. Only HANA database only supported for installing SAP BW HANA. $793 only, Unicode kernel, 793 only is supported. Other kernels is not supported. So in SAP BW HANA, only two versions is available. That is SAP BW HANA 2021, SAP BW HANA 2023. Only these 2 versions is available in SAP BW HANA. Remaining only these 2 versions, remaining all aspect. Only in SAP BW HANA, this one and this one. Only these 2 versions is available. Kernels is supported. Okay, only Unicode kernel only supported. These 2 versions only is available. It is 758 release. 758 release. And this is 756 release. How I tell means like SAP S/4HANA, like this also. So BW HANA releases, SAP Solution Manager releases, NetWeaver ASAP Innovation Package releases 3 softwares, SAP NetWeaver releases 4 softwares, SAP ERP releases 5 softwares, SAP S/4HANA releases 6 softwares. So here we learned today 6 software releases. So compulsory, we want to know this is 6 software releases compulsory. We want to know when we are learning SAP basis course, we want to know the 6 software releases. So it is just one of the topic in one unit. So just one topic about releases, just one topic in one unit. So SAP releases topic is completed. It is one of the topic in one unit. So total 6 software releases we discussed today. Topic is completed.